you, Charlie. Back with another video, walking my dog. Where the hell is he? Here he is. Hello, Puppy. I don't know if you saw him, because he just went past me, but there he is again. I thought today I'll just make a little video whilst I'm walking out the dog. I might show you some clips like the trains going by. Oh, there's like a massive like waterfall thing down over there, and I might climb across it. Stay tuned for that. Bye bye. Oh yeah, and the other day I actually jumped in this river on my friend's channel, Kieran Vlogs. So it got some numbers in it. I think it's got 2 numbers, but I'll search it up after this video and I'll put it in the description. Subscribe to him, and also that Woburn videos with my best friend Gaming Phone 21. Yeah, just letting you know real quick. Okay guys, so here's a little lock gate over there near my mum. And over there, that's the thing that I'm going to be walking over in a minute. Stay tuned for that. Okay guys, we're getting a little bit closer to where I'm about to walk across. I think it's gonna be sick, but you wanna get there. Okay guys, I'm here now. Just about to climb up. Oh, did you really see why now? That's basically the scary part of it. That's where I'm gonna be walking over. Okay. It's really hard to keep a grip right now. Okay guys, I'm up. Now I just need to climb up here, then I'll start recording again. Okay guys, I'm at the top, just climbing over this fence. Okay. Climbed up to that, now we're going to go over here. Let's get a real like crucial shot of this. Okay, now I'm going to record that in slow motion, be back in 1 second. Hey guys, we're just going up there now. I'm so well sketchy right now. I'm not okay with this. Okay, now the just stops. Freaking hell, that one just wobbled. No. That's what it looks like from here. Okay. I threw those 2 in the other day. I can't believe they got here, not in the log gate. Time to walk back, guys. Remember if you're on my channel, new videos I upload. I'll be making more of you now. Because I love you guys. Crap. Okay. I'll see you in a minute when I go past the railway. And if there's some train sales, I'll record that in slow motion. I might throw a stone here, I'm joking. Okay, guys, see you later. Edit, right? Oh my god, don't bite my foot whilst you're at it. Are you gonna do it again? Oh my god! Guys, my dog always does this when he finds something to roll on. He always rolls it like 5 times. You can do it again. Oh my god! Okay guys, see you later. Hey guys, me Charlie. I didn't get to record the train bit because I fell in the river. I know, right? Something that I would do. So I'll record another video tomorrow. Bye bye guys. Have a good day, night, whenever you're watching this. Peace.